Welcome to class. Over the next 6 weeks, we will be exploring the ISTE standards for students. ISTE stands for the International Society for Technology in Education. There are 6 ISTE standards for students. Number 1, creativity and innovation. Number 2, communication and collaboration. Number 3, research and information fluency. Number 4, critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. Number 5, digital citizenship. And number 6, technology operations and concepts. In these short lessons, we will not have time to go into the standards in depth. But over the next 6 weeks, you will be exploring each one of these standards. Today we're going to start with Standard 2, Communication and Collaboration. The standard states that students use digital media and environments to communicate and work collaboratively, including at a distance, to support individual learning and contribute to the learning of others. In order to explore this standard by the International Society for Technology in Education, we're going to use Google Tools. First, we're going to be using Google Classroom. We will also be using Google Docs in Google Drive. To access your Google account, you will log in. Your login information will be provided to you by your digital media proctor. Once you have logged in, you will access Google Drive through your app icons. The app tiles are in the top right corner. You also find the app tiles in the top left-hand corner as well. For now, we will access them in the top right-hand corner near your login. The Google Drive app looks like a triangle. The exciting thing about having a Google Apps for Education account is that you will be able to save files in this account. You'll then be able to access them from any device at school, but you'll also be able to access them from devices at home or anywhere where you have an internet connection. Today we're going to focus on Google Docs. When you see a Google document, it likely looks familiar to you. A Google document is simply a word processor. A word processor that might be familiar to you is Microsoft Word. In order to add text to this document, I simply type. You'll see some familiar tools along the toolbar in the middle of the screen. You have an undo button in case you make a mistake. You can change the size of your font. You can also make something bold, italicized, or underlined, or change the color of the text. Something that's unique about a Google Doc is the fact that it automatically saves for you. You'll see that it says all changes are saved in Drive. You don't have to worry about accidentally closing your document and forgetting to save. It's doing the saving for you. And remember, if you make a mistake, just click your undo button. Another unique feature of a Google document is that you can share the document. The document you'll be working with today has been shared with you, and you'll see that it's been shared with each of your classmates as well, so that when you or your classmate type on the document, you will be able to see each other's work. I can't really demonstrate that here in this video. You'll just have to wait to see that for yourself. What you can see in this document is that I've typed some text, and I've also made a comment over to the right. In order to make a comment, I simply highlight a word and go up and click the comment box. The comment box allows me to make a comment. I do so in the right-hand margin on the side. Once I've typed my comment, I click Comment. Now I can see the comment, and others who are sharing the document with me can also see my comment. This is very useful for your teacher or for your other classmates when you're working on a document together. Now it's time for your digital learning proctor to take over. She's going to walk you through the process of getting logged into your Google Apps for Education account, going into Google Drive, looking at a document together. She's also going to take you into Google Classroom and show you how you can see your daily announcements and access your assignments. It's exciting to be able to share these resources with you today. I look forward to the coming weeks and exploring the ISTE student standards together. I also look forward to exploring the tools that we're going to use to meet those standards. Thank you for your time and your attention, and I look forward to seeing you soon.